Gold XAUUSD trade analysis 29/08/2022 to 2nd September 2022. Forex trade forecast signal. We bring you the gold XAUUSD trade analysis for 29/08/2022 to 02/09/2022. Gold is going to be bearish this week again, according to analysis by our experts. The analysis done last week was as stated before it happened. It happened and played out just as was said. This week, the gold XAUUSD market is going down again against the dollar. This week, the gold XAUUSD market is going to be bearish against the dollar. We now have a clear direction of the trade that is going to happen for this week. The trade on Monday will be a sell at market price, or you wait and see if it will climb up first to enable you have a good downward movement. Place your stop loss around 1749 to 1752. Place your take profit around 1709 to 1715. Price may get to 1640 this week, but we may see some retracement and corrections along the way. When this happens, keep selling and selling. You will need to be taking your profits and entering new trades as events unfolds. Make your keeps, keep your peeps and repeat. Make your peeps, keep your peeps and repeat that. Don't tell anyone about this video. Don't like this particular video. Don't share this particular video. Don't comment below this singular video. Make profits.